So right now we're all relying on the DIY mani-pedi to maintain our nail routine. And for those who are not talented in that department, there are some easy and quick tips to keep our hands and feet fresh. Joining us is Nicole Pearl, beauty expert and founder of the Beauty Girl blog, with a few ideas for us. Good morning to you.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Okay, you know, it's so funny because it seems so trivial, and you know, a lot of people are staying at home, and obviously there's some very serious things going on, but a lot of us want to maintain our life as normal as possible, and that involves our hair and our nails. A lot of people are stuck with these old gel manicures. So how, first of all, do you get these off?
That's a great question, and I'm getting this question a lot. It's actually not as intimidating and hard to do. And you probably have a lot of the products that you need in your home already. So for example, tin foil, cuticle pusher, even a chopstick, nail polish remover, preferably with a higher concentration of acetone. So these are a few of the things. I actually did a tutorial on my Instagram page, which is Nicole Pearl Beauty Girl, showing you how you can do this with what you've got at home. It's only going to take you about 10 to 20 minutes.
Okay, well, that's good to know. And so what tips do you have for an easy, quick, dry manicure at home? Most of us think there's no way we can do this.
You can do this, and a few things are: you want to use a lighter shade polish that's more forgiving. If you want to speed up your dry time, dip your nails in cold water. That will really help it set faster, or use cold air from a hair dryer. And then I also recommend using thinner coats. So there's things that you can do so your nail polish dries faster. And if you want to remove regular polish and you don't like the odor of a liquid nail polish remover, there is a product called Tribe Remove and Chill Nail Polish Eraser Cream. This is the first nail polish eraser cream. So you just put it on each nail, let it sit for 3 to 4 minutes, and then it wipes away your nail polish without drying out your nails, and it doesn't have a bad scent.
Oh, I love that. I've learned about two things. That, and I had no idea if you put your hands in cold water that makes a difference. Okay, any other products you recommend for do-it-yourself?
Definitely. Gel nail stickers are all the rage, and Mani-Me, I discovered this brand is amazing. I'm actually wearing these nail stickers now. They're the first only nail stickers that are custom to your nail shape. So you go on to manime.co, you take photos of your nails. It's very easy. You choose your design. They come custom made for you. You put the stickers on. It takes about 5 minutes. And when you're done with them, you peel them off. It doesn't create damage, and they'll last for 10 days. So this is great if you just want that very low maintenance nail routine, but you still want to have nice looking, you know, nail art and solid colors, what have you.
Very cool.
The other product I definitely recommend is really about your hand care, because we're sanitizing and washing so much. So it's really important to up your hand care game. And there is this product, it's Allure Probiotic Serum Concentrate. Now this is made for your face, but this serum has live probiotics. And what that does is that it creates good bacteria on your hand and increases your skin's immunity.
Okay, Nicole, thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.